Shalom, shalom, family. This is your Sistah ChaYah reporting from Maui, Hawaii with some breaking Melchizedek news for this Tuesday, December 10th. Family, if you watched the broadcast yesterday on the Melchizedek news, I reported that Fox Weather was stating that there was a severe fire threat and fire danger coming to parts of Southern California. Let's get a quick recap.
Meanwhile, a strong and potentially dangerous Santa Ana wind event is expected late tomorrow night into Tuesday. Powerful winds going to develop, especially in areas like Ventura County's coast in Southern California, also the West San Fernando Valley, the West Santa Monica Mountains, as we're going to see the potential for some elevated fire risk. And this is December, so wildfires.
Isn't that interesting? Elevated fire risk. And then I wake up to this in my inbox this morning over in Malibu, California. How did they know that? Many people are going to come to the realization that mankind has technology that they can manipulate the weather. That's what the scriptures say. Look at that. Catastrophic fire breaks out. Family, I'll keep you posted on that raging fire as well as any other updates going on in the news. But I just wanted to show you all that there is a lot that's being orchestrated. I'll see you soon. Shalom and peace, love, unity, and respect from Maui, Hawaii.